our pamahalaan, pamilya that includes friends and supporters, pastors and priests, I would say physicians, nurses, nursing aides, those who are involved in this care, mga doctors and nursing, our police personnel, our honor guards, the Bureau of Fire, and our politicians. Lord, we thank you for your unconditional love and making Nulingsik an instrument of peace and unity. May his mission of family unity and public service to the Sangguniang will continue to be honored. To our leaders, our government, thank you to Mayor Mar, the Sangguniang Bayan, especially to Dr. Manes. I don't know, I have not seen others here. Maybe you're here and I cannot mention your name, but all Sangguniang Bayan of San Romeo, SB Secretary, Liga and SK Presidents, LGUs and department heads, sa tanan nga mga papuluyo kag employees ng San Romeo or Municipality of San Romeo. Thank you very much for your support and your presence. To all our family, friends, and all your supporters, especially sa mga less privileged kag mga supporters in Nunoy sa Kabutiran ng San Romeo. Kag gusto ko man dyan na i-hambalin kay they're of great help